Alrighty, I'm testing it out. Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Create, so we back with another video. And today we are doing unboxing today's package. Don't be afraid of that. That is my air conditioner because I was suffocating with my fan. So that has been unplugged. But we're unboxing today's package. I didn't start the package today. Especially around this time, you know. I have not been doing any type of reviews or anything like that because of COVID-19 and the pandemic that's going on. So please forgive me for not doing anything, you know, just for my health and for yours, okay? And as you can see, I have my gloves on. Okay, because taking precautions. It's not to be ignorant. It's just take precautions of what I'm doing. So yeah, this is the package for today. I'm gonna see if it has. Oh my god, it has all my information in it. Yeah, I think I know what this is, but it says ring, and I was like, a ring? But yeah, this is the package. You can't really see it anyway, but this is the package. And I'm going to open it and show you the contents of what's inside. Because I do think I know what this is. Like, if it's from Amazon, then yeah, I know what this is. Yep. It's a little damaged, but whatever. So these are package sealers. Okay? That's what they are. These are package sealers. That's what you see in this little box. This helps seal packages and things of that nature, okay? And I needed these because especially when I want to get ready to start selling some things, but I'm not going to be opening a business anytime soon because of COVID-19 and what's going on. So these just to come in handy, and it's the same on this box. This is, I believe this is in Chinese. And I'm going to actually open one to show you what they look like. The packaging is horrible, by the way. So, this is what they look like. This is kind of really cool. I don't know. Oh, there's a battery in there? Or there is no battery in there? Okay, so this needs, it looked like AAA. AAA or AA? No, AA batteries. Okay, good. So, AA batteries. I have those. That's pink and white. And, oh, I got yellow. I'm going to show you again what the pink and white one looks like. Really nice. These say AA batteries. I believe this is like a magnet of some sort, so I don't know. No, it's not attracting to anything, so it's just probably, I don't know. I really don't. So I don't know what to tell you. But yes, I have another one because this is a two-piece, and this is in yellow. Oh, I like the pink and yellow together. So this is nice. This also takes so these both take AA batteries. And yes, I'm just wearing these gloves for my protection. Really nice. Really nice. So these are pretty good. I actually like how this is. Is this going to be a bubble mailer? Yes, the bubble mailing. Oh yeah, the bubble mailing package is really good. But the packaging for these two, a little bit of a dent up box. Who wants a dent up box? Like, it makes me feel like they were tampered with, you know. I would like the boxes to be a bit more handled with care, if you know what I mean. So yeah, don't toss my stuff. You know, I am a consumer. If you want me to still consume your product, that's what you would probably want to do. You want to keep your packaging for your actual products that are inside a little bit more together, if that makes any sense. Okay. So yeah, these 2 boxes are going in the trash. And I am going to clean those just for my protection. But other than that, I actually like these packages. I actually like this item. This is really nice. You know, it looks like an easy little mechanism, almost like a stapler, as if of some sorts. This is what the mechanism looks like inside. I don't think I could stretch this. I don't know if I can stretch this all the way. I don't want it to break. That's what's the inside of it. Chomp chomp. And I don't know what this thing is. Oh, I guess that's to help seal it or protect it. I don't know. It says lock while you're... Okay, so this is the lock. This is the lock for when you're not using it. So, you know, that's pretty good. Same for this one. So that lock mechanism does work for both. So when you're not using them, you can just lock it when you are using it. Go ahead and seal up your favorite stuff. So the let's start with the items. The items are a 10 out of 10 because I love these. I love the colors. I love the mechanism. It's really easy. It's not so industrial. Oh, these are magnets. Dual action. I like the dual action. What sucks is the packaging, just the actual packaging for both items. Because I would like for the packaging to be a bit better, but, you know, beggars can't be choosy. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And share the video. Click the notification bell. Be notified of all my videos and things of that nature. Guys, please stay safe. The safest way to prevent yourself from getting this virus is to basically just wash your hands, clean your body, make sure you are perfectly healthy, get as much hand sanitizer as you possibly can, but do not get so much hand sanitizer to the point where no one else can get it. You know, don't be stingy, because from what I'm seeing, and I don't want to get too political, from what I'm seeing, it is horribly disgusting. That's a whole nother video. I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye. Stay safe.